Please say yes.
Most traders lose money because they don't understand what price action is telling them. They rely on indicators, signals, shortcuts, but they never actually learn how to read the market. In this video, I'm gonna show you the foundation and only price action.
Fuck, I'm so sorry, I kinda sick. Does this one count as a hook? Please say yes. Comment section, don't make fun. Well, welcome back to the day one of Lost to Disciplined series, where we go from confusion to clarity. I guess it's obvious if you watched the first video, we're talking about that we're gonna have like a lot of parts talking about the price action, making it clear for you guys because nobody explained it how. So this is it. This is the intro, and hope you're doing well. That's it. Let's go. So now we're gonna go. What is actual price action? So what is price action? Price action is simply the movement of price on the chart, no indicators, no lag, just raw behavior. Every candle here is represents a fight between buyers and sellers, as you can see. So when prices move up, it's buyers on control. So as you can see, price move up, it's buyers on control. When prices move down, it's sellers on control, right? So instead of depending on tools, we start reading what the market is actually doing. So anyway, this is why this is so important. A lot of traders actually rely on indicators like RSI, MACD, a lot of other indicators. But here's the truth. Every indicator is built from the price. So that means indicators always reacting to the price. So that means you're delayed. By the time you're gonna get a signal, you're already delayed, you're already late. That's why a lot of traders feel late because they are actually. But when you actually read the price directly, you're not actually reacting anymore. You're understanding what's happening in real time. And the market is simple. It's just like buyers versus sellers. And your job is to answer one question. Where the price is moving. So basically, you can see right here. This is a lot of sellers. Like sellers and taking like on control. See another trend. That's a one. So this is buyers on control, sellers on control, like just simply price action. So anyway, now we're gonna talk about candles, wicks and bodies. So for y'all know, candles are represent stories, bodies represent strength, and wicks represent rejection. So when you see a long wick, when you see a long wicks like this one, you actually know that prices got pushed back, and when you see a strong body, it means control, right? So, and about prices, so actually prices is not like moving randomly or something. Prices move is like moving on highs and lows. This is how the structure is formed. So as you can see, the price moves down, and this is a high, creates a high, a low, lower high, lower low, another lower high, a low, and then prices moves on the highs and lows. So anyway, this is where it gets so powerful about price action. If prices are making higher highs and higher lows, that means it's an uptrend. And if it's making a lower highs and lower lows, that means it's a downtrend. This is the foundation for understanding it all. So I'm gonna show you. So like this is a basic example right here. This is a lower high, a lower low, another lower high, another lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. So this is like a basic example. And if we actually, hold on a second, let's move right here, another example for an uptrend. So you can see the prices actually start rallying and doing like higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher lows. So this is when you can see where the buys are moving, where the prices are moving. It's like an uptrend or a downtrend. So if you actually understand our price action rules, this is where things get so powerful. Like this is where the discipline starts. You're not gonna be a counter trader or something. Instead of guessing, we look for opportunities. You can see like higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher highs. So you actually you're gonna know that you this is like the buyers are in control. So you're not gonna go on sell. You're actually gonna look for longs for buy, right? So this is where it comes to the end. And all I want to say, you don't need like 10 indicators. What are you gonna need? We're gonna represent it in the next videos. What you actually need is the ability to understand what the price is doing. Like what it's actually doing. It's so simple. Right now you can see it like lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. And we're gonna talk about support and resistance, range and areas. We're gonna present everything you need in the price action. Because the price is the truth. Everything else is just like follows it. No indicators, nothing. Just like bold price action. So this is just the beginning. In the next video, I'm gonna present the most important candlesticks pattern you're gonna ever know, and you're gonna even like need to know. So if you're serious about improving your trading, follow the series, and stay consistent. So let's go from lost to disciplined. This is just the beginning of the series, and I hope this benefit you all. And I'm still watching the shot on my phone too, so trying to not missing in the trade. And we're gonna talk about consistency, discipline, the psychology, everything from the beginning to the end. So that's it. That was the first video. I hope you all get benefit. I hope you all profitable year. That was Khalil from Bolek Trades, and hope you're doing well all. Peace out. Love you guys.